Was your Austrian Airlines flight delayed, cancelled, or did you miss a connecting flight? Don't worry, you could be eligible for compensation. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of claiming compensation for any flight disruptions with Austrian Airlines using Compensair. This trusted platform takes care of everything for you, making it hassle-free to get paid for your inconvenience. Let's dive in. To get started, visit Compensair. Although you can search for it in your browser, be cautious of phishing sites. It's safer to use the official link in the description of this video. Once you're on the site, you'll need to enter your Austrian Airlines flight details, including the departure and arrival airports, flight number, and date of travel. You'll find this information in your booking confirmation or on your boarding pass. Next, fill in your personal details like your full name and email address. Rest assured, Compensair ensures that all your information is handled securely. Once you've entered all the required details, review everything to ensure it's accurate, then click Submit. At this point, Compensair will take over, contacting Austrian Airlines on your behalf to secure the compensation you're entitled to. You can simply relax while they handle the process. When your claim is successful, you'll receive an email with confirmation, and your compensation will be transferred directly to your account. That's all it takes. With Compensair, claiming compensation for delayed, cancelled, or missed Austrian Airlines flights is simple and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.